Good day. Today I'm going to show you how you can create a brand new Patient Express form. First click on PX button, and then click on the Setup tab. Change the template type as shown on the screen, change it to Consent Forms. And then click on the Create button. It will then open a new browser and show you the page where you can create your new form. You can use the elements on the right side to construct the form you wish to create. You can see the test form being created on the screen as a reference. Once you're done creating your form, you can add the name of the template on the top part, and of course, don't forget to hit the Save button on the bottom. That is how easy to use Patient Express to create your own customized forms. Thank you so much for watching.